Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited you're here. If you've never been here before, please consider like, subscribe, share, hit that bell for notifications. I'd appreciate it. Not required, but in the Christmas spirit, it would be awesome. I am going to build this silver and brown look for you today, and I hope that you like it. So please jump right in with me and let's go. So in today's video, I am going to build a 3-color look. I am going to use Jasmine, Skylar, and Michelle from my Violet Voss Pro Ride or Die, because I have been getting a little crazy with the eyeshadow lately, and I just want to dial it back, and do something that's a little more easy. So first things first, I'm going to dip into Skylar, which is a mulberry brown. I'm using my Sigma E45, the small taper blending brush. And if you want to see my unboxing video on these brushes, you can check that out. Using my E20 short shader, I'm taking just a little bit of that Skylar. And smoking out my lash line. Wet brush, same brush, going back in with Skylar just to really build up the edge. With my E25 blending brush, I'm going to go in and pop a little bit of Jasmine. Jasmine is a really pretty kind of like gunmetal foil. And then using my E20, again, wet. Just a little bit of inner corner action. and I am loading up this smudger brush from the Sephora X Pinrose collection. Two colors plus white. Of course, I already have my foundation, my brows, my blush on. I'm using just a little bit of Fenty Fairy Balm Loose Shimmer 24K Ray. And that is my beloved Anastasia of Beverly Hills liquid liner in black. Charlotte Tilbury full fat lashes, 5-in-1 mascara. And of course you guys know that I did a giveaway on this. And I'm taking my Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in Barbarella Brown. And then we're going to fill in with Pink Really Hard Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick from Wet n Wild. Right over that brown. Berry Recognize, which is also a Wet n Wild matte, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that and oh my goodness, that's a look. That's a look. All right, so what I did is a brown pencil. I did the Berry Recognize Matte Wet n Wild. combined with the, let me look at it, pink really hard. I do love the eyeshadow though. Hey, I just wanted to give a quick Christmas giveaway. If you guys would like these 3 makeup brush holders, they're brand new. I don't use them. I hate throwing them away. It's so wasteful. But if you would like me to send these to you, all you need to do is comment, I want it, and I would be more than happy to send them to you because I would rather see them get a good home. So this one has just little pockets and a flap along with a little how-to. And it's kind of a metallic beigey pinky color. This one, zippered, no flap, really good for travel. Quilted black. This one, metallic, double snap, flaps with pouches. So if these are something that you are interested in, I'd be more than happy to send all 3 of these to you so that you can help protect your brushes without spending a dime. Merry Christmas. Just tell me you want it in the comments. I'd love to give it to you. Thank you so much. All right, so a little bit of Laura Mercier powder with my Shiseido facial kabuki brush. A perfectly acceptable day look. I gotta go to work. I hope you enjoyed this. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, share. Give me some love. Give me some hate. I read all my comments. Have a fantastic day.